How was that, lady? See?
Actually, rather good. I hate to disappoint you. You agreed to dig into more. Let's not get carried away. You don't want to ruin your fun.
Well done, ladies.
Well done.
Very good work. 2 meals now in the bag.
Are you happy to move on, ladies?
Oh, yeah, really happy, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we have the next dish, please? So.
This is big.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Looks like my home. It's rather nice. Can you send some back to England for me?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, this next dish is spaghetti Bollocknaise.
Oh my god!
What are bollocks? What are bollocks?
Oh,
Okay. Sorry. You've got it. You've got it.
Okay.
Lady C, let's take a look at yours. You also have spaghetti Bollocknaise. Now, Lady C, you're going to go first, and you have to eat 2 of the turkey testicles that you can see on top of the beach worms. And then, Jorgie, you've got to eat 2 of the beach worms.
Aw.
So, Lady C, when you're ready, two testicles, please. Oh. So you're cutting them up, you're not just popping it straight in there. Delicious, actually.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Genuinely.
Yes. Shit, some of those stones were for me as well. Scrum, actually.
Can I not eat them?
Well done.
Well done. 2 testicles done. Jorgie, it's over to you.